Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Bueno and welcome to the tutorial video on this channel. This video is going to be a tutorial on how to make a flashlight in Unreal Engine 5, so let's go! Navigate to a third-person character blueprint. Now choose an empty area and then add a key to press. It mostly is the T key. And now for the component section, add a spotlight and position it the way you want it to be. For this time I'm gonna make it very bright. And now you can see how it looks on the level. And now let's add a function to turn it on and off. From the pressed, add a flip-flop. In the flip-flop is a turn on, turn off value. And drag the spotlight component into the event graph. And add a set visibility. Plug in the new visibility. And copy and paste the visibility and place it under the other one. Whoops, I did it wrong here. It's already on. I'm gonna fix that. Let's see if it works now. And now if you press it once, it will turn on. Perfect. This is how you make a simple flashlight. Make a folder and call it flashlight. Then make a blueprint actor and call it flashlight BP, for short for blueprint. Open it, add a static mesh, and add a cube to it, and scale it to a flashlight scale. Then add a box collision. Then right click on the box collision, add event, and then add on component, end overlap and begin overlap. And from each of them, drag from other actor and add cast to third person character BP. And from third person character, add enable input. And from play controller, add get play controller. And from get play controller, add a disable input and connect it to cast to third person character. And from disable input, add a gate and connect it to close. And then the enable input connected to open. And then from enter you add an F key. And now go back to third person character and make a variable boolean and call it has flashlight and compile. Go back to flashlight BP and from cast to third person character search for set has flashlight and connect it to exit on the gate. And then from the set variable add a destroy actor and compile. Now go back to third person character and make more space. Hold B and press the left mouse button, which will add a branch, and then connect has flashlight to the condition and connect the branch to the T key and connect the branch into the flip-flop. Now you can pick it up, and now you can press the T button and use it. But maybe you also want to be able to choose between not needing a flashlight to be picked up or needing it to be picked up. Add another branch and press need external flashlight. And connect it to the condition of the other branch. Connect the branch that needs an external flashlight and connect it to the T key. And then from true, plug it into the other branch. And from the false, from the external flashlight, plug it into the flip-flop. And then you could choose the values here in the blueprints if you want either of them to be true or not. And now you can see it doesn't work if I press button, but now if I pick it up, it will work. So that was it for this tutorial. If you like it, please leave a like and leave a comment on your opinions. See you in the next video. Goodbye.